Pops will add Hostinger business email to Gmail. If you want to add a Hostinger business email to your Gmail account, all you have to do is first open your browser and go to gmail.com and log into your account, right? And once you've done that, just click on the settings or the gear icon from the top right hand side and just click on the See All Settings button right here. Now, once you go to See All Settings, you have to go to the option called Accounts and Input from the top. And under here, you can see this option called Add Another Email Address. And when you click on Add Another Email Address, all you have to do here is to enter your Hostinger email address, which is a business email. If you want to treat this as an alias, you can do that. Or you can go ahead and then basically enter your Hostinger name, email, username, and your password, and also your server settings like the POP3 and SMTP addresses. And once you have done that, you will be sent a verification link to your Hostinger email address. Once you have verified it, which you can find within your Hostinger control panel, you will be able to verify and basically link or add Hostinger business email to Gmail. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.